CodePen 2.0 is an amazing evolution of the CodePen editor. We've added so many great new features like files, blocks, deployment, all amazing things that weren't even possible in the classic editor. Some people still prefer the focused view of HTML, CSS, JS in the preview like the classic CodePen editor. And fortunately, there are some great ways you can retain that classic feel while still getting all the benefits of the 2.0 editor. First, head over to Controls and turn on Minimal UI. This tucks away most of that new UI until you need it. You can slide it out, or you can access everything through the Omnibar. Open up the pin settings and change your description, all that fun stuff. Second, if you don't like the fully valid HTML file, that's okay. You can get back to the classic body only setup by renaming the index.html to index.pen.html. And this makes it so everything is still wired up. You still have your CSS and your JS connected, and you're only dealing with the body. If you also like to have an additional processor like Pug or Markdown, you can just rename that .html to .pug and then get right in there with your Pug. The third thing, once you have everything set up the way you want it with, Pug, and maybe you want Sass, that's great. I like to clear everything out, so I'm always starting with a blank slate. I save my pin, I give it a good title, and then I turn on the template setting. This lets you quickly use this pin as a starting point, and you can even set it as your default template. Once you turn that on, anytime you start a new pin, it's going to use that template as your default. So you can just get back up and running with your Pug and Sass or whatever you like. So I hope these tips have helped you as you're transitioning into the 2.0 editor. Hopefully you can see some of that classic CodePen feel and still get some new functionality out of 2.0. Enjoy.